Hey guys, it's been a long, tedious day. I haven't done too much, but I've done a lot. I've working on getting the wiring and breaking down the Kubota to get ready to start wiring up and fuel lines for the roper. So I'll show you what I've got done. This right here took me about half a day. There are so many plugs, so many zip ties to be snipped, but I got it out. It's all one piece. And I labeled every plug, and I labeled each one of these switches and where its natural setting was. So if you need a press on the brake to start the engine, well, there's the brake plug or the brake little switch there, and so forth. It's a lot. It all made sense coming out. Here's hoping it all makes sense going back in. There's what the poor Kubota looks like today. I'm fixing to take the seat mount off now so I can take the gas tank off so I can get to the fuel pump and take it off, and we'll be ready to go for the roper. I may take these front tires, I think they may be 4x4, and go ahead and put them on the roper. I can't put these on the roper because they're also 4x4 on the rear, as you can see. But anyway, taking this off, which I've already taken all the bolts out. I just need to slide it forward and basically lift it off. There we go. Oh man, that's heavy. I have to put the camera down to pick that up, but that's where I'm at now. We've got all the switches. I took them out as well, and I've got them plugged into the wiring. So let me get this off. I'm gonna put it in the back of the pickup with the fender pan. Something I didn't tell you is I had jumper cables and these wires here plugged into the fuel pump to pump out 2.5 gallons worth of diesel that was still in the tractor. It looked good. I don't see any water in it, so I'll probably reuse it later when I get the roper going, but the fuel pump still works. I just got one more bolt left here on the fuel pump. Here's the first fuel filter. I got the tank out. Get this out, and I'll store it away till I'm ready to run the fuel line. The fuel line is actually in good shape. The return line is anyway. I haven't really checked much on the main feed, which is a larger diameter. But moving along, get this last bolt out and let's get it stored. Well, I went ahead and I put the Kubota's front tires on. They may become the tires, the permanent tires. They got brand new tubes in them, so, and there's pretty good tread. Sidewalls are a little dry rotted, but it's a lawn tractor or a garden tractor. I'm not going to go 100 miles an hour and have the tread get thrown, but those still look good. And like I said, I've got brand new tubes in them from when I got the Kubota ready to, I was going to mow with it until it died. Not the engine, the rest of the tractor. And I've got all the wiring there. I've got the radiator screen there. It's minor modification on the top because I will be putting it in there to help protect the radiator. And fuel line I put in the back of the pickup. The return line looks great. I'll probably reuse that. But the main line did seem a little hard, so I'll have to get new line for that. It's a little bit larger than what it would normally run on these, so I think I'll be all right. All right, guys, I hope you don't mind the smaller format videos. I figured it'd be better just to cover a little bit at a time instead of trying to do so much at once. Like the next time will be wiring. So we'll catch you on the next one.